What's up, guys? Mark Fleetwood here. Welcome back to Daily Grind Trader. Today, I'm going to be doing technical analysis on two coins that were requested by viewers. So we're going to hit RSR and Shiba Inu. Stay tuned. I want to tell you all about them. Alright guys, first things first, I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. I am just some guy on the internet that enjoys doing public technical analysis. I enjoy making what I do public and being out in the open. So anybody who agrees or disagrees, feel free to chime in. With that being said, if you make a trade, you do so at your own risk, and please know that you should never follow some guy on the internet and how you manage your money. Especially some guy who is currently at a debt ratio of 95% and it is literally just waiting for the sweet release of being liquidated. Because I'm just tired of this. Real quick, BAT is doing exactly what it has been doing. Every time it gets close to breaking out of this falling wedge, it just farts its way back down. And then this drop was just insane. I don't know, maybe I won't get liquidated. I'll have to suffer more in purgatory. But same thing with VT, another hit of that support, and it's probably not even support anymore. It's probably going to break through that and hopefully get me out of this. And then Bitcoin, again, falling wedge, just keeps falling, just keep falling, just keep falling. Every time you get close, it drops. You know, this morning star here should have been a great breakout potential. Like hit this morning star and then just bang your way through that resistance. No, not in this market. No. You know what happens after a morning star? All the time. Morning star, bearish engulfing. Boom. That's a reversal pattern right there. Reverse the reverse. You're going down, you think you're going back up. With a morning star and then boom, bearish reversal. Double reverse. Fake out. Alright guys, let's get to the actual crux of the video. We're going to start with RSR. RSR, oh, wow, that got really bright. Is there a night for... I don't know how to use... I don't know how to use regular trading view all that well. Sorry guys, sorry for how bright it might be. But anyway, I'm looking at RSR, and I looked at this today for the first time. I saw the comment, and I wanted to make sure to get this video out. Today's the first time I found an opportunity to look at it. I'm looking at it on a daily chart, and we're looking at a Fibonacci retracement. This runs sideways here. This is the start for me. This green candle here is the start of the bull run, and this was January 1st. Actually, wow, New Year's Day of 2021, started the bull run of this coin. So it topped out here, April 16th, and it topped out at a high of 11.9 cents, and is currently in a retracement. Now, there's a bit of a problem with this retracement. It's not really a big problem, but it's just an interesting, it was an interesting sign that if I was in this coin, I would be looking to go deeper, and I'll tell you why. The neckline here at the 50% retracement level made a head and shoulders. The left shoulder here, the head, and the right shoulder. Typically the left shoulder goes higher than the right, and the head is obviously the highest point, and your neckline is typically your support line. The 50% retracement after this peak, and you go down, if you were to do a Fibonacci at the top of this peak and it starts to go down, and you see the 38, 2, and you see you hit the 50% and you start to bounce back up. Once you start to retrace again, that head and shoulders is forming. Now that 50% line is in jeopardy, and which it broke through. It broke below the 50% retrace or 50% support line, and now the next level of support is going to be the 61.8 line at 5.727 cents. If that does not hold, the next key support and the most key support is going to be your 200-day moving average. We're already trading well below the 50-day. I mean, it's your 50-day moving average here, this yellow line. With TradingView, I only have the standard, so I only have like 3 indicators to use. So I just went with 15,200 and a MACD. But this 200-day has to act as a strong support. It has to hit this 200-day and then bounce right off of it and start to go up. Now, regardless if it hits it, somewhere in this range, the 200-day is still willing to creep up. It's going to flatten out a little bit, but it will creep up because the price action has been above it. The problem is if the price action drops below the 200-day moving average, then the 200-day moving average acts as a dynamic resistance and will start to fall again, and you'll have a dynamic falling resistance, and that is the key to a market reversal. The 200-day, or a market reversal for that particular coin. Doesn't mean the whole market is in a bear market, but this coins can act individually of each other. So this will be in a bearish position if it were to start trading below the 200-day moving average. If this doesn't hold as a support, the coin could go down, and it could be a substantial drop, because at that point, if you're trading below this, you're looking to break through the 78.6, and you'd probably get all the way down to a 100% retracement back down to right around 1 to 2 cents if it breaks. But your 200-day moving average is going to be your key, your most crucial level of support. So watch that, 61.8 and 200-day. The coin can very much still stay bullish and trade back quickly back up above the 50-day moving average, and you're right as rain. If it stops on the 61.8 line, 61.8 is a key level of retracement, and it is a good, healthy retracement. Nothing more, nothing less. We just have to make sure that we keep above the 200-day moving average. All right, guys, we're going to move over to Shiba Inu. So the problem with Shiba that I've been finding is that it's been hard for me to find an exchange that it's been on long enough so that my stuff works. So there's really not a whole lot. There's not a whole lot I can do with Shiba, honestly. It's too new. There's not enough time in it. There's not enough data collected or to collect. But I can tell you a couple of things quickly about it. One thing is that it is in a deep retrenchment right now. You can see it has a moving average of 7-day and 25. The 7-day is currently trading below the 25, and the price action has already came very, very close to touching this 78.6 retracement. All this run up, this big run up here, was primarily due to being listed on Binance and on KuCoin. So that's that big run up there. The retracement, it's going to have to bounce off of this 78.6 again. If it goes below it, the coin could die right here and now. I mean, not literally right here and now, but this could be it. Like if it falls below 78.6, then you're back to a 100% retracement, and you're in a 5 or 6 0 range. And then if you want to stay in it and watch it slowly die away into nothingness, that's on you. And guys, that's not me putting a bias into this coin. It's just that it's very new, and that much of a retrace could kill it. I mean, just losing that much of the market value. But also, 78.6 could be a catalyst. If it hits it again, it'd be the second touch of this resistance, or of the support. If it bounces off, it would be the third time hitting the resistance at the 618 level. And if it breaks beyond this, if it breaks above the 618, now it's in a little bit of a safer position. The 618 will become a support line. 00001786 will become a support. 1786. 1216 is a key line. You go below 1200, you go into the 1100s, and now you're in danger zone. You're in danger Will Robinson zone. You want to get back above 1786, and once that happens, and you can start creeping up and catch up to the 50% range. You're in the 2186. Now you're time traveling into the future. 2586, 3081. Then once you can cross the 50% line, there's nothing stopping you from being able to break out the whole Fibonacci retracement and then do like 160% total, increase where you're up around, 5,000 to 6,000 range, and you're golden. So guys, I mean, there's not a whole lot to say about Shiba. There's just not enough really time, and not enough data to collect. But guys, that's a video for today. Something different, something I wanted to make sure to honor. And someone asked me for an analysis on a particular coin. I'm not a fan of Shiba. I won't buy Shiba. I think it's a hype coin based off of Doge hype. But with that being said, there is data to analyze, and it could still do something. It could still break these levels of resistance and go. And good on you if you've got a couple million of these coins, and good on you. I wish you success. But it is what it is. Getting back to what I actually meant to say was that I try to honor if I have a viewer that asks for a request. I want to make sure to do right by my viewers. So with that being said, guys, like if you like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. And as always, until next time, peace.